Congresswoman Schakowsky, thank you for being here. You heard Valerie Jarrett. Are you satisfied? Are you leaning towards satisfaction? Or are you still waiting to see?
I think this is a bill a proposal that progressives can support, that the American people need to support. You said, what are we going to do with the naysayers? We're going to need to mobilize around this country in favor of a bill that's going to put people to work, both by creating jobs and putting money in the pockets of people that can go out and actually spend money and help to kickstart this economy. This is something we need to do yesterday. We need to do it right now. And I do think that this proposal is going to have a number of things that I've long suggested, and that it's going to actually make a real difference now. Government can make a difference. We are not helpless in the face of this crisis. This has nothing to do with politics. This has to do with an economy that needs to get a real infusion of energy right now, and this proposal, I'm confident, is going to do that.
Now, you had to propose the legislation fast, and I've been talking about fast so much that people thought I helped to write it, because you had an immediate how we can provide jobs right now, school repairs and other things that would provide 500,000 jobs, some of which that seems to be what the president is proposing tonight. So you must feel that some of what you did, which seemed like a pipe dream when you first brought it up, is something now that's closer to fruition.
I know. I feel very gratified. I'm looking forward to hearing him talk about it. But FAST stands for Fix It All Schools Today. And we could do that right now. Get money out to fix schools that need repair. So many of our schools are crumbling. They need to be upgraded. Our students deserve that. And we could put thousands, hundreds of thousands of construction workers, maintenance people to work immediately. I think there's going to be more teachers to be hired, more veterans to be hired. All of these things are going to reduce our unemployment rate, and they're going to make sure that our economy is infused with that kind of energy that we need right now. You know, there's a lot of worry that we could fall into a double-dip recession. This is the antidote to that. But we're going to need the American people to let their legislators know if the Republicans obstruct this legislation, they will have a serious price to pay.
No question about it. Congresswoman Jan Schakowsky, thank you so much for being with us tonight.
Thank you, Reverend Sharpton.